You definitely need hard hats for Poet. If you get all 8 new coils and boots for this thing, then you don't have to worry about replacing another coil like every month or so. Oh, there it is right now. So, don't want to make a slump mess. You guys will hear the misfire. I mean, 3 coils we tried to fix. The engine light was actually on, but but I bet it's going to come back on. Yeah, you guys can tell. I'll let you guys give it a little listen.
Why are you not turning it?
Because I'm not going to hit the... You guys can hear the rattle. Well, I had to put my phone down, but listen. Oh, when it's driving down the road, it sounds like a freaking motorcycle's driving by. That's how bad it is. I don't think it's ever had a miss this bad before. Yeah, you guys can really tell. Yeah, it sounds like a pile of crap. Yeah, see the fuel, it was like almost touching a half a tank, and we only drove it down the road once, and that's how bad the fuel mileage is right now. Listen to this. Oh man, that sounds so bad. Yep, it's not very good. Oh well, it still runs though, it still moves. Okay, well, that's why that guy that was driving this truck is driving the red truck now.